Alright, so this is a handy little deal. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right there it just fluttered out of the screen. So this happened again last year when we were doing this, and it keeps these birds really stirred up. So what happened is we've somehow managed to capture 2 Tweety birds in there, and so if anybody wants to know how to build a Tweety bird trap, and I'm not sure they're Tweety birds, they're probably just finches or something like that, but we've managed to catch 2 of them in here, and if you look at it, it's got these chickens just stirred up. So these little 6 birds have got their exercise, I'm sure, today, because it's it's late afternoon, early evening, and these little guys are freaked out by these birds in there. So I don't know how long they've been in there. They weren't in there this morning, but they're in there now. So I'm gonna pop the lid off this thing and turn the Tweety birds loose, and give these birds a little bit of a reprieve. Then we're gonna feed them, and then we're gonna head out to the pasture, see how our friends are doing out there. So stand by. All right, so here we are out on the pasture, checking on our little friends. Looks like they're all happy to see us. They're all excited about something. I can see water. I can see water in there, so they all seem like they're doing okay. Everybody seems happy. Maybe they're hungry. We might check and see if they're out of feed yet. So, tell you what. First things first. Let's do this. Let's grab this little deal. Let's see if they're wanting to come out and find some. Look at that. They are more than willing to come on out of the chicken tractor today. We got one straggler in there. Come on out, bird. All right, this one has already caught himself a grasshopper. I'm just going to see if this door will stay open. And let's walk out this way. See if we can get them to jump up some grasshoppers. This is nice. All right, they're out there doing chicken stuff. This is great. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up the camera right here, and I'm gonna go get the feed bucket and bring it out here, put some feed in it so they can see that, and maybe that'll keep them out of the way while I move that first tractor, and we'll see if we can't repeat this a couple times. So stand by. All right, so we're gonna see if they'll stay here while I move the tractor. That first tractor on the left, I have to move it towards us and to the left quite a bit so that we can get the tractor all the way on the right out of that little hole that it's in. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so that worked pretty well. Let's see if we can get them back in the tractor now. Hopefully there's a desire for those birds to get back in there. So let's see if we can get that done. Hey bird. Hey bird. Hey bird. Hey birds. Hey bird. Hey bird. All right, so that got 9 of them in there, and only 9. So we're gonna have to do this the hard way. I'm gonna have to run around and gather them by hand and put them in the tractor. So here we go. All right, so that was an absolute chore. So let's do it again. Tractor number 2 right there, our middle friend there. I'm gonna move it towards us and to the left, see if we can get this done.